Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today we're going to talk about the Aspark Owl. And all the image credit goes to Aspark. They're their photos I'm using. But this car, guys, I dare say it's elegant, beautiful. I know styling is in the eyes of the beholder, but I really like this thing. So we'll start with the styling and the front end. Low, aggressive. I really like how it comes down wedge-shaped like to a point. Big front fenders. It's cool how this car just rakes down. It's a nice look to it. It stands out. The headlights, they're angular, they're different. I like it. Going to the side profile. The side profile on this thing is amazing, guys. I really like this car. The wheel wells in the back are almost as tall as the cab itself. This car is so low to the ground. It's very aggressive. This car is very concept car-like. I like to say it's almost like a cyberpunk looking car, a car of the future today, but it looks great from every angle. While we're on the side, let's look at this one angle here. You can see the front wheel well comes out right by the door. You see this aggressive air curtains. And actually there's multiple curtains just letting airflow run by the side of the vehicle. It looks great. Now this vehicle is a full carbon fiber construction. It helps keep the weight down because this is all electric, and you need to kind of counteract some of the weight of the batteries. Now the rear end. The rear end looks just as good as the rest of this vehicle. It's aggressive looking. I love those wheel arches in the back. The tail light's very low, swings all the way across. Overall, I'm really into the exterior of this vehicle. Now the interior. Unfortunately, I can only find one photo, but this is supposed to be an extremely premium interior. You sit in these nice carbon bucket seats with nice leather on the interior. Nice screens, some nice buttons there. Everything faces the driver. You can see it's a nice steering wheel in front of you, a big digital display. Everything's curved around you, and you can actually see your other cameras, like your mirrors, on the sides of that. It's a cool look, nice premium materials, leather, carbon fiber, all that good stuff. Like I said, guys, I'm just in awe of this vehicle. I think it looks amazing from every angle, very concept car-like, very cyberpunk-like. It's great looking. But let's talk the hard numbers. Now this vehicle, why is it special? Well, it's a Japanese automaker, and they're now saying that this vehicle is the fastest accelerating vehicle from 0 to 60. That 0 to 60, guys, is under 1.7 seconds. They're claiming it can do 1.69 seconds, 0 to 60. 1.69. That is insane. It's an electric car, four-wheel drive, and basically the battery is about a 64 kilowatt battery. Your range is about 249 miles, which is pretty good, as well as your top speed is 249. So keep everything even. You're making around 2,000 horsepower, guys. That's just insane. 2,000 horsepower, and your torque is about 1,475. Like I said, this vehicle is super quick. It's also very expensive. This is a hypercar. Very limited production. It's about 3.56 million. So it's super expensive, very exclusive people can own this car, and it's limited production. They're only making 50 of these. About 20 of them are for Europe, another 20 of them is for the Asian / Middle Eastern markets, and we're going to get 10 here in America. So if you ever see one of these on the road, you know it truly is special. Like I said, it's super expensive, but impressive numbers. 0 to 60 in 1.69 seconds, around 2,000 horsepower. I think it looks great. It's one of these vehicles that I feel like in like 50 years, there's only going to be like a dozen of them or less, and it'll be on auction block and sell for millions of dollars, like way over what it currently is. But I wonder what you guys think. What do you think of this all-electric supercar? Do you like the styling as much as I do, or do you prefer something more traditional? And please, if you haven't already and you want to, check out my channel. I keep trying to give you guys more and more content. We talk about cars, trucks, SUVs, crossovers, combustion engines, and EVs. A little bit of everything. And please, like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I truly appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.